never used NAMSUN NS, RI 8575 double-column CNC vertical lathe for sale. K Tradings has recently entered a sales partnership with NAMSUN in Korea, a leader in the field of precision machinery since 1950. We are happy to announce the sale of never-used and brand-new NAMSUN NS, RI 8575 double-column CNC vertical lathe at a very good price. Main specifications. Maker, NAMSUN Machinery, year of manufacture, 2017, Table X turning diameter, 7,500 by 8,500 mm, max. Turning height, 750 mm, table speed, 0.525 revolutions per minute, workpiece weight, 30 ton. This machine is designed and specially developed for manufacturing precision parts for wind power and nuclear power plants by NAMSUN Machinery Research Institute using the latest technology. The CNC system has adopted a new type of FANUC brake-type AC Servo motor in axes. 2 turning heads enable to simultaneously cut inner and outer surfaces. And it is mainly driven by a 90 kW DC motor and a 2-step reduction gear, which ensures powerful cutting force. If you are interested, please feel free to contact us kts007799@gmail.com.